For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh carried out a comprehensive review of the security scenario in Leh amid the ongoing tension with China. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narwane accompanied Rajnath Singh on the visit. The Defence Minister visited Stakna forward areas after landing in Ladakh, where the troops showed him para-dropping skills of the armed forces. The Defence Minister is on a 2-day visit to Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Singh's visit comes at a time when there is military tension between India and China in the area. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh interacted with troops at Lukun along with Chief of Defence Staff and Army Chief. He also addressed the troops and paid his condolences to the army men who lost their lives during the standoff with China.
आज यदि आपसे मिलकर मुझे बेहद खुशी हो रही है, तो मन में एक पीड़ा भी है, गम भी है। हाल में ही भारत और चीन के जवानों के बीच PP-14 पर जो कुछ भी हुआ, उसमें हमारे कुछ जवानों ने अपना बलिदान देते हुए अपनी सीमा की सुरक्षा की है। उनके खोने का गम है, आपसे मिलने की खुशी है।
Rajnath Singh also said that India would not allow the sacrifice of the soldiers to go in vain. During his interaction with the troops, he said that no power can touch even an inch of India's land. He also said that talks between India and China are underway and that India will try and resolve the issue peacefully.
इस समय सीमा के विवाद को सुलझाने के लिए बातचीत का दौर चल रहा है। जो कुछ अब तक की प्रगति हुई है बातचीत की, मामला हल होना चाहिए, लेकिन कहां तक हल होगा अभी इस संबंध में मैं कोई गारंटी नहीं दे सकता हूं। लेकिन मैं इतना यकीन दिलाना चाहता हूं कि भारत की 1 इंच जमीन को भी दुनिया की कोई ताकत छू नहीं सकती है, उस पर कब्जा नहीं कर सकती। लेकिन बातचीत के द्वारा यदि समाधान निकलता है तो इससे अच्छी बात और कोई दूसरी नहीं हो सकती है।
During the Defence Minister's visit, the Indian Army T-90 tanks and BMP infantry combat vehicles carried out exercise at Stakna, Leh. He also interacted with the personnel of the Indian Army and Indo-Tibetan Border Police in Lukung Post. He also witnessed para-dropping and scoping weapons at Stakna. The Defence Minister was in Leh for the first day of his visit and has now left for Srinagar. Rajnath Singh will reportedly review the situation at the borders and also visit forward areas in Jammu and Kashmir.